No, 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 no.
You turn off the controller. Here you go. Shut off. Oh no. Drone is off. What's gonna happen? It's gone. It's... Let's see what's gonna do. Oh no! Shut off! RC is off. Let's see. An extreme wind. Oh no, where's he going? Where's he going? Alright. Just to see what's going on. What would happen? Turn it off. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Alright guys, the Mavic Mini 2 is so tiny, you can even see from the sky. And we're just gonna go ahead and see what this thing can do, and hopefully it don't crash in the water or land in the water, because right now my feet is cold. It's high tide right now, and we're about to the season of cold weather.
I mean, you can't even see it. We're just gonna go ahead and see what it can do.
So the front LED light is useless. I mean, think about it. You can even see it right now.
Right there. We'll see. Just to see what's
I
gonna
mean, it's
happen.
almost in low light. Like,
uh-oh, it's still coming.
you can even see the front light on the Mavic Mini
Looking
2.
for connection. Let's go ahead and unplug it. I mean, that's unplugged already. Off the app. So, woohoo! Get back to the app. Just to see. Okay, it's coming back. 0. And I got a hold of it. So, it's supposed to, you can see it's about to land right there. Interesting. Anyway, this experiment has 4% battery, and it's off.
Alright guys, you can go ahead and see I was 72% up, and I shut off the transmitter, the controller, and I'm in 22% battery. And that's when the Mavic Mini 2 just shuts off from the sky. I meant the controller. So you see the gimbal tilt over here, you see that? I'm in normal mode. I'm not even in sport mode, so I already know there's an issue with the gimbal. So the Mini 2 is probably gonna fly back to the home points location where I take off at. And also guys, the lost connection, I don't think there's no way. I mean, think about it. It's an extreme wind. I mean, you know, and it's high tide right now. So you guys can go ahead and see that this Mavic Mini 2 is probably going to get blown away or something. I mean, it's so tiny. But you can see still managing to, trying to find the location. And that's the footage right there from the drone, from the SD card, from the Mini 2, and everything is off right now. Now you guys gonna go ahead and see that tilt. You guys saw that? So I'm flying this in extreme wind, and that's the only issue that I have with this Mavic Mini 2. I mean, everything is fine. If you see my other video, you can look it up. I actually flown in extreme wind, extreme condition, in a sport mode, in long range, and again you can see how that gimbal just twitched it. Now I turn back the transmitter. You see that? I turn it back on, and I got like what, 4% or 5, I think what, 4%. It's coming back to me. So just letting you know. So it's still able to trying to come back to you, to your location and nearby you, So I guess it's a good thing. I have successful with it, and you can see it returned back to me. And that's about it. I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.